All right, how you guys doing today? Awesome. So what I discovered when I was looking for a way to make extra income from home was that it was not an easy thing, right? And most of the time, you do all your promotions, you work so hard online, but you're not getting the results that you want. So I started looking, how do I solve these problems, right? How do I make it easy for me to promote products and make money online? So what I did was I looked at other successful businesses out there. One of them is Amazon, right? All of you know Amazon is the most popular online business out there, right? And what is Amazon? Amazon is an online store, right? If you don't know what an online store is, I'm sure you know, but let me just explain it out to you in a little way. Now, an online store is a website with multiple products in it, right? So the way it works, if you remember how you buy things on Amazon, you come to the Amazon website and then you search for a product that you want. And when you go on the site, you see so many products, hundreds of thousands of products in the store. And then you pick what you want. And if you see any other one you want, in fact, they actually suggest other products to you. And that's why sometimes when you go on Amazon, you want to buy one thing and you end up buying like 3-4 things, right? That's the power of an online store. So now I started looking, how do I get something similar like this? Now, of course, it's not going to be Amazon products because they are physical products. And if you have been following me, listening to what I'm saying, physical products don't pay you enough commissions for you to make good money. When you look at physical products, like they pay maybe around 3%, 5%, that with that kind of commission payment, you're not likely going to make any good money, right? Now, but when you talk of digital products, right? If you don't know digital products, let me explain them to you. Digital products are coaching programs, right? These are coaching programs that teaches you a lot of things, maybe how to market online or how to use AI, you're just teaching programs like college kind of things, right? Now, those are digital products. Those are products that are produced once, but they keep selling them over and over and over for many, many years, right? Now, because of that, they are able to give you very high commissions of 50%, 70%, 90%. You get what I mean? Now, other digital products also include softwares, right? So, online courses, coaching program, softwares, apps, these are digital products, right? Even ebooks and whatever. Now, so if you have products like that in your online store, and then you only just promote the online system or the online store, now that means that you will be able to make more money. Now, the good thing is this. For those of you who are already following me, you know that I promote the OLSP Megalink system. Now, the Megalink system, when you go into it, you find out it is an online store system, right? Because you only promote one link, but you will be able to earn commissions from over 7 different income streams. Income streams simply means different products. So with the Mega Link, they have different products, right? In fact, they have over 20 products. And look, let me tell you one secret nobody will tell you right now. it only costs you just $7 one time. $7 one time, and you will get your own mega link. So literally you will get your own online store. All the products are already there. So you don't need to create any product. You don't even have to buy any product, right? So you only get your mega link for $7 and you have access to all these products. And look, you can decide, okay, I want to promote these products individually. Or you can say, I'm just going to promote only my mega link. And when visitors or customers come to the mega link online store, if they buy anything, I make money. That sounds better. Actually, that's what I'm doing, right? So I refuse to promote each product individually. So what I do is I only promote the $7 mega link, right? So I get a lot of visitors. They come to my mega link website, and then when they join the mega link and then they see all these products, and if they pick any of them, then I make more money. That's how I'm able to make enough money. I'm almost close to $10,000 already, right? Now, so now the beauty of this OLSP mega link system is that you earn commissions from all products in the system. It's powerful. So they have low ticket products, medium ticket products, or even high ticket products. So you could just be promoting your $7 business, your mega link, and you could potentially earn commissions of $7, $47, $100, $500, $1,000, or even $2,000 in commission. How would you like that? This is the potential of having an online store. So you now have multiple products at different price tags, because you don't really know what your customer will want, right? They may come into the system and they'll see some of those high ticket products and they love it and they buy those high ticket products, and you make high ticket commissions. It's powerful, and all you did was to get a $7 mega link online store. Is that not powerful? That's what I'm saying, guys. That's amazing. So if you are thinking of, hey, this is time for me to have my own online store system, and you have $7 that you want to put in, so that's simple, right? So go to my profile, click that link in my profile. There's a link there. It takes you straight to the mega link website, and you can just pay your $7 and have access to your own online store system. It's powerful, very, very powerful. And look, if you have questions, you can privately DM me. We can talk about it. All right. So guys, I will see you again. Take care. Bye.